What's up? It's Justin, Mr. CMB. I'm back with another video. Shout out to everybody who's liking, subscribing, and sharing the channel. And shout out to the Ravens winning today. So I have to run an errand. I'm running errands real quick, and I got to go back home on this beautiful Sunday, even though it's raining here in Miami. But this is something that, people who are new in real estate, people who don't know about real estate, or people who they've been active in real estate but never made any money. And trust me, there's a lot of people like that. They've been doing real estate for a year, 2 years, 3 years, and have never seen a check. It just happens. And comment below if that's you. So can you buy real estate without no money? The answer is yes. And I'm going to tell you two specific ways you can do it. One, everybody knows, you can wholesale. You can find an off-market buyer, contract the property, flip the contract and sell it off. Or you could do, another thing. You can contract the property and sell it off. Are you buying real estate? Technically, no. You're just getting possession of the property and you're selling it off. Great. Everybody knows that. I'm going to tell you another way. Two, buying auction properties. Now, the thing is with auction properties, the way you purchase these properties without no money is you need to have a specific strategy and to be able to hedge against your gains and be able to actually understand the deal and understand deal analyzation to a T. And when you do that, and you're able to predict and bid conservatively, you can actually ask a real estate investor, ask someone who wants to who wants to lend you money to invest in a property for a flip or for a wholesale deal that you're going to wholesale an auction property. They can provide you the funds as long as you can show proof of the numbers, proof of actually, how long this could possibly sit on the market if you're going to list it on MLS, or if you have guaranteed buyers, and if you have a track record. If you never wholesaled auction properties before, there's a little trick and technique you need to do to really hedge against your risk, especially if you don't know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you could really fuck this up very bad. Fuck your life up, fuck up money. That's why most people don't do it. But honestly, it's one of the best ways to get control of real estate, flip real estate, wholesale also too, or buy real estate like that. Another thing you could do is purchase a real estate purchase a home through an auction property, borrowing funds also too, and being able to rent to own or do a lease out. Now, obviously, this all boils down to one main skill: deal analyzation. And that's we talk about it. A lot of people talk about it online, but they don't really emphasize, like, if you know how to analyze a deal very well, man, it's really nothing you can't do in this real estate market, especially right now. It's thundering right now. But can you buy real estate without your own money? Yes, you can. And these are just like a few, like 3 quick techniques. It can get real complicated, and I teach that in my Legacy Lasting Blueprint, where I show you how to build your wholesale auction business in 90 days. We walk you through, we help you out, we have weekly coaching, and you also in a private Slack group where I analyze your deals, or my team analyzes your deals, and you're in that Slack group forever. So there's always ongoing support. Excuse me, I was just eating. So you can click the link below, schedule a call with me, see if you're a good fit. If you don't have a job, you shouldn't actually schedule a call, because obviously I don't take everybody. So yeah, only 12 students a month. But anyway, yes, you can wholesale auction properties. Yes, you can buy properties without your money. It just depends on your strategy and deal analyzation. Deal analyzation is the most important thing in real estate. I don't care what anybody says. Yes, you need to generate leads, but you can generate leads and you don't know how to analyze deals. I mean, it's pointless unless you're going to find someone to analyze those deals for you. And then obviously you're splitting profits, and that's a whole other thing. But get good at analyzing deals. It's math. That's all this is. Math and time. That's it. So yes, you can buy real estate without no money. Maybe I'll do a video of one specific technique of actually how to do that. Maybe I'll do that. So if this video helps you, and this makes it clear for you, or if you need some more clarity, drop a comment below. I'll make another video about this if you need more clarity. But and the short answer is yes, you can. The long answer is there's many ways to do it, and there's many creative ways to do it. And I particularly like to do it the path of least resistance and the least talking to them. I don't really like talking to a lot of people, so I don't really do off-market deals as much as I used to when I first started. It's mostly just strictly auction properties. All right, so like, comment, share, subscribe. It's Sunday football, even though I've got stuff to do. I'll talk to you.